Hi, it's David, and it's time for your posture reset. These exercises are great. They're going to help you realign your posture, relieve pain, improve your mobility, and really help you breathe better. So give them a try, and please leave me a comment and let me know how you feel before and after doing them. This exercise is the sitting arm circles. What we're going to start with is having your hands like this, and we call this the modified golfer's grip. You're going to close your fingertips. You're going to keep your thumbs open like this, nice and wide, and try to open your palm as much as you possibly can. Hold this position. Have your arms down to your side. Remember, proper posture. You're going to have your towel roll between your knees. Your feet are going to be nice and straight. Neck and shoulders down and relaxed. In this one, you're going to slightly pinch your shoulders back a little more than normal to put your shoulder in the proper position, and you're going to keep them pinched throughout the entire exercise. So golfer's grip, hands down, pinch those shoulders back and keep them pinched. Now what we want to do is, from here, we're going to make circles. So you're going to nice and gently doing your breathing. Remember, proper posture, proper breathing. The breathing is in through the nose and slowly blowing out with your lips. We're going to make circles the size of dinner plates, nice and easy. And from the side, my hands are in line with my body. We're not doing them out here, and we're not hyperextending them way back here and trying to do them. Everything is right here. So you're going to do your breathing and blow. Again, the size of dinner plates. And we're going to try to do anywhere from 20 to 40 of these. You may even build up a little bit of a sweat of a workout. These are great for you. Then you're going to stop. You're going to give your arms and your shoulders a break. You're going to check your posture. You're going to breathe if you're a little winded, and that's okay. In through the nose. Hold and blow. Once you've recovered, then you're going to do the next one. Hands like this. Close the tips. The golfer's grip again. Thumbs nice and wide. Hands down. Pinching the shoulders back. Keep them pinched. Come on up. And then you're going to roll your hands. So palms up, thumbs backwards. Whichever way the thumbs are pointing, that's the direction of the circles. So you're going to breathe and blow. And now go backwards. Try to do, again, 20 to 30. As you get really good at these, you'll be able to do 40. And breathing, keeping the arms back. This could get you winded, and that's okay. Take your time, do as many as you can. The goal is 20 to 40. If you can do 5, that's wonderful. Don't worry about it. And then you stop. Hands on your thighs, palms up. Recapture your breath in, hold, and blow. Take your time. Focus more on your breathing and the coordinating of it with the movement, and you'll get really great results with this. These are the sitting arm circles. This exercise is the sitting assisted hip lift. This is challenging. You're going to wake up muscles and ligaments and tendons that you haven't used in a while. I did an extra long walk / jog at the beach yesterday, so I'm sore. So you're going to see me struggling too, and we can struggle together. It's okay. So first thing you're going to do is square up your feet. Remember, proper posture with your feet squared, your knees about the same distance apart, neck and shoulders down and relaxed, shoulders slightly pinched back. I have a pillow behind my back, especially in this exercise, because what's going to happen is, and I'll show you in a second, you're going to want to lean back to ease up on the stretch. If you have to, it's okay. You can do that. But preferably, I'd like to have the pillow back here, keeping you nice and vertical. So what we're going to do is we're going to start and we're going to put one ankle, a little bit above the ankle, over one knee. So you're going to see me struggling, and you can struggle with me. Let's struggle together. So you're going to pull this up, and you're going to go like this, and you're going to keep it right here. We don't want the foot on here because this is really going to strain your ankle. We want a little bit above the ankle. You want to look down. You want to make sure that your feet are straight. One of the common compensations is the foot's going to go like this, or the knee's going to go in like this to take the stretch out of here. You want to make sure that the down leg is nice and vertical. Excellent. So what we're going to do is you're going to have this leg, never using your hands. Your body instinctively knows how much that things can stretch. If you try to push it with your hand and stretch, that's going to hurt you. Arms down at your side, using the hip muscles on the up leg, you're going to press the knee down and you're going to feel a big stretch in the hip. Doing your breathing in through the nose and blowing out and breathing in and hold and blow. And as you're blowing out, as you're exhaling, you're going to feel the stretch easing up a little bit because the breath will actually help you stretch. We're going to try to hold this for 1 to 2 minutes. If you can only do 30 seconds, it's okay. But in time, you're going to be able to get to the full 2 minutes. You're going to feel all this stretch. And I know it may not feel like it right now, but it will feel good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch legs. So we're going to come down very gently, and then you're going to bring this leg up. This leg is much harder for me today, so you may feel it too. And you're probably going to have one leg that's going to be harder. Arms down to your side, and you can see how much higher up this knee is. And then you're going to gently do your breathing. And in this case, I'm even going to walk my foot just a little bit that way to line it up. And you're going to be breathing in and blowing out, using the hip on this side to push this knee down. Never your hands. And in and blow. And like I said, what's going to happen is you're going to want to lean back to take the pressure off the stretch. If you can help it, don't do it. And in and blow. This exercise is the sitting assisted hip lift. This exercise is the sitting overhead extension. I want you to have a seat in the chair, have your towel roll between your knees. Always remember proper posture, proper breathing. You're going to take your hands, you're going to interlace your fingers like this. You're going to go out like this, trying to straighten out your arms, and then you're going to blow and lift like we always do. So you're going to take a breath in, and you're going to blow out and come up. You may only be able to get to here. It's okay. Eventually, the goal is to get all the way up to here, tilting your head back, picking a point in the ceiling that's behind your hands, and looking at it and breathing in. And breathe. Feeling everything stretch and breathe in. And breathe. Then you're going to slowly come down. And that's a good warm-up. Just hold that for about anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds as a warm-up. Eventually, I want you to try to hold it for anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. So again, you're going to interlace the fingers. You're going to turn your hands around. Even if you can get to here, it's okay. Eventually, your arms will be able to go up more. So you're going to blow out, go all the way up, tilt your head back, pushing your hands. Your hands are going to want to go like this. Push your hands actively up to the ceiling, tilting the head back and doing your breathing like this. In and hold and blow. And then come down out of it nice and gently. And then just relax and breathe. That could make you a little winded, and it's okay. If it does, focus on the breathing in through the nose, hold and blow out, and that will help your recovery. This exercise is the sitting overhead extension. This exercise is the standing gluteal squeezes. What you're going to do is square up your feet, remembering proper posture, proper breathing. The posture is your feet squared about a fist width apart. You want to make sure that the outer edges of your feet are nice and straight. You don't want to have your feet out like this. That's duck-footed. We're not doing that yet. So you're going to square up your feet, neck and shoulders down and relax, a nice level chin. And then you're just going to relax. Now, what we're going to try to do is squeeze our gluteal or our butt muscles in the back. And you're going to notice as you're doing them, one side may be stronger than the other or a little slower or faster. There may be a disparity, and that's completely fine. So you're going to have your hands relaxed at your sides, level chin, neck and shoulders down. Remember, proper breathing is in through the nose and blow out Nice and easy. Okay, so we're going to do 3 sets of 20 with this. The first set, your feet are going to be straight and you're going to just squeeze your glutes. Now, when you're doing this, I want to make sure that your quads, your thighs are not tightening. So start with your hands down here. Make sure that they're not. I want you to feel your knees rotating and rotating with each contraction. Hands down at your side, and you're squeezing your glutes together in the back. Once you've done 20 of those, then I want you to go duck-footed. So you're going to have your heels together, your toes wide, and you're going to squeeze your glutes in the back. Much greater contraction, isn't it? That's the level of contraction and strength I want you to get when your feet are straight. So this will give you an indication of the goal that we're trying to reach. So you're squeezing your glutes, again, 20, and it's completely normal. One side may fire quicker or slower than the other, or stronger or weaker. It's okay. The goal is to get them to work eventually at the same time. Then after you've done 20 duck-footed, then you're going to square up your feet again. Arms down, relaxed, level chin, and finish up with another 20 squeezes. Again, checking your thighs, making sure that your thighs aren't doing the work. It's all glute in the back. This is a great exercise to wake up the hips, the glutes, everything in your lower body. And believe it or not, it will translate into helping your posture as well. So if you get any Charlie horses in your hamstrings, or if you just feel like you need a good stretch, these are excellent for you. These are the standing gluteal squeezes. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, check out these videos over here.